what my mile an hour there was. But we caught her. We caught her. Woo! Let's see, we ran a 13.4. Not too bad. Not too bad. This was running 12 spinning at sea level, so we lost a second at this altitude. Woo! Alright. I need to move my seat up a little bit so I can touch the pedals better. Not bad for the first one. Not bad. Alright, we're gonna park here and let it cool off a little bit. Thank you. Alright. So I bombed the first time. Looks like we're going to be against a BMW here, maybe. Traction control off. I don't know what we're going to be against. Maybe this Lexus here. So I bogged the first time. We're going to try and launch it with a little RPM. Yeah, we're going to be against this Lexus. Try and launch it with like 1500 RPM or something. Much better. We spun a little bit. so much better. Ah, yeah, went nice and straight. I'm happy about that. What did we do? Thank you. Alright. Ooh, 12.5. That was much better than last time. 12.5. That was so much better. That was a full second better. Launching it with a little RPM. Woo! Yeah, it's like an hour wait in line between each round. So we're gonna take a little break real quick, talk to my friend, and then we'll be right back in line. Still bogged a little bit, but that was so much better. It bogged and then spun. We're gonna go park next to this guy's trailer again. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit, guys. Alright, we're not filling up the lanes anymore, so this will be my last run. I think I'm going to be up against this truck right here. Alright, last time it still bogged a little bit. We didn't quite get up to 1500 RPM. And then it spun shortly after, so I'm going to try that again. I think we might be up against this race truck. Or the BMW, one of the two. Or the VW, I don't know. It's not straight enough. So, it's the race truck after all. Yep. Truck. Are they trying to get it evenly matched to people or what? I guess we'll turn on our lights like everybody else. Alright, I guess we're going to be up against the truck. Oh boy. Alright, we're going to be up against a big truck. Staged. missed third. Let's see. Yeah, 13.3 at 119. Ah, that sucked. I think it spun or something in second. We'll try and hot lap it. See if we can get one more run, you guys. Alright, you guys, we're gonna wait in line and we'll be right back. Alright, you guys, we gotta get some redemption for missing third. I don't know who we're gonna be up against, but this is the last run of the night. They're shutting down the lanes. The air cooled down a lot, so we will see. We should be making a little more power now that there's cooler air, so we'll see how we do. Oh, that's definitely a race car. What are we up? Well, we're up against the Harley. Let's see if we can beat him. We got 3 wins tonight. Even missing third, we still got the win. Yep, we're up against the race Harley. Let's see how this goes. Smoke. This was the guy that was in front of me last time too, and he was just spinning. Yep, just spinning again. Beat us. Well, we got 3 wins. Anyway, guys, the lanes are shut down now, so that is the last run of the night. Alright, let's see what we got. We did a 13.2 at 123. What did he do? He did a 12.8 at 101. Not too bad for a night of racing. Anyway, guys, we gotta head home now. The lanes are all shut down. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know what you thought of the Shelby, if we should start doing this racing more often. Now that I'm still laid off. And we can actually take the R1 here and not have to have a full race suit. There's people just doing it in jeans and motorcycle jackets. So, we might end up taking the R1 at some point. Anyway, guys, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.
We'll be right back.